Hello everyone, I got this Xbox from a local customer. It's a Xbox One S. The customer said it has no signal, and you can see how the HDMI look like. Definitely. So I plug the HDMI, just wiggling over there with no connection. Power on. Still no signal. And the customer says sometime when it's wiggle it in the right spot, it will have the signal. And we did talk about, I did talk to the customer about the charging port, replace the HDMI replacement, HDMI port replacement, and they want it to be done very soon. So, and they give them an option to transfer this HDMI from here to here, because usually the people they don't use this HDMI. So let's check. I already took the Xbox motherboard, and this is the bad HDMI. So I do have this one here in stock. Maybe I do have, I think here is another one. So I'm gonna remove this one and put this one in the place. So if I didn't have this one, I was gonna put this one here. To take the HDMI port, we're gonna need to use the low melt solder. It's gonna make that job more easy, because you can see this ground here is very big, and when you try to put the heat this spot, the heat is transferred everywhere and doesn't let this solder to get melted. I'm going to pull the solder from here. So next we're going to solder the pins here. As you see, the solder is all the way up to here, so that's good, because sometimes when the people do the solder this side, the solder stay just here, and that's make this porch is more weak to be broken off easy. You need to see the solder go all the way to the other side of the board, like you see it here. Put the Xbox like together, so half together, and let's, yeah, the HDMI is tight now, it's not wiggling as before. And let's put the power cord. Light is on, still no signal. Fan is on. Yeah, it's detecting the signal, and voila. So we can hear the sound and the picture. This Xbox ready to go back to the customer. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.